simple brooder system we built. You see, it's just a bin from Walmart. Got this one. Got this blue one. We like this one better because you can actually see the chicks on the inside. See, it's just the lid's cut out. You got your any type of wire. You see, that's a different size wire than this one. Alright, so basically, you're going to make your cut. You're going to cut the lid out, cut this out of the lid. Drill holes. So we just got a small hole right here, all the way around. Put your fence in, your wire in, zip ties. And then we use this little heater. Use this little heater, it works real well. You do it after you put your bedding in there, of course. And then we just run our cord right through the top. And that would be about it. We found that, you know, at the most you want to put in here, egg layers, I think we did 25 chicks in there, and it worked out great. Your meat birds, about 15 is the max you want to put in there.